So now let's look at the maps in that programming language. So let's look at the maps. Okay, let's mention void main. Here we need to mention the maps. So right now I'm going to take a map. Variable map is belongs to variable type map, and then let's mention one. We want to mention first. Let's take this board the things, and then let's mention the value which is known as 10. So as the same way, let's mention the second. Let's mention the second here, and then let's also do these sort of things. Let's mention these both dots here, and then let's mention 20. So after that, let's take a value. Let's take another string value which is known as third. Just a second. Just a second. Third, and then let's mention 30 here. 30. So after everything is fine, and finally, what you need to do is you need to take you need to give this. Just a second. Okay, instead of giving these brackets, let's give forever brackets. That's the thing which had been done. Okay. So after everything is fine, what you need to do is you can simply print with the help of using this print. So if you run it, let's try to run it. Let's wait and watch whether what sort of output are we going to get. Let's run it actually. So here we got first 10, second 20, third 30 as in this way. So that's how the map works. And apart from this, also let's look at another thing which is known as let's look at another thing. As in this way, the maps works, and let's perform the same maps in another way. I'll explain you whether what's that particular another way. Map one is equals to, and then let's mention map here, and then int string. So the first letter machine should be the capital string, and then let's close it. And finally, we need to use these two circle brackets here. Map one, and then let's mention whatever it may be. I'm going to mention this. Okay, just a second. As in the same way, let's mention map 2. Let's mention another map with the name map 1, 4, and then so up to now everything is fine. So what you need to do is you need to give these brackets. So if you run it, let's try to run it. Let's wait and watch whether what sort of output are we going to get. Yeah. Okay. It may take some time, I think so. Yeah, finally we got the outputs. So as in this way, also you can perform the maps. Not only this way, but also there is another way. I'll explain you what's that particular another way also. So up to now, I think it's fine. Let's take all this. Okay, let's take it off. So again, um, now let's only perform with the strings. No need of mentioning any ints here. So for that particular purpose, I'm gonna choose strings here. Strings, everything is fine. And then let's mention maps. Here I'm gonna mention the values which I wanted to get as an map. Okay, I'm gonna mention the string which is known as A, B, C, whatever it may be. And then the B. And then the C. Um, so that's how we need to specify all these sort of things. And finally, you should always remember to give the commas here. So well, up to now everything is fine, and here you need to give the symbol which is known as. So okay, let's well, of course everything is fine, I think so. Let's try. Let's again check it and let's wait. Let's look whether what sort of things are going to happen here. Just a second. Okay. So let's. I think the space is actually a kind of issue here. So let's short it out. Void main. Then strings map one. Okay, let's try to run it and let's wait and watch line 3 values. String cannot be assigned to variable of strings. Let's try to run it and let's wait and watch without sort of things happening. Okay, I think it's something which Nayan. Okay, yeah, I got it. So let's change it out instead of giving this is equals to let's give this. I think now everything is fine, right? So yeah, now everything is fine. If you run it, you'll get a proper output. So as in this way, A, B, B, 9, and C, J. So as in this way, we can perform the maps also. So that's all about the maps. So yeah, that's it.